Hello, dear St. Andrews students. Hope you are staying at home and staying safe. My name is Saksham Singh. For the meantime, till the schools remain closed, we should study through video. Today we study computer and the topic is MS Word. So first of all, we have to open the MS Word. To open this MS Word, double click on this icon to open the MS Word. In the previous video we have completed the home tab and insert tab. We have completed pages, tables, illustrations group, header and footer, and we have completed this text box of this text group. Now in this video we will move forward and learn more. So as you see this quick parts. What is quick part? Insert reusable pieces of content including fields, document, properties such as title and author, or any performated snippets for you create. So it's a meaning, if you want to write an abstract, just a word abstract, you can write it ABSTRACT, abstract. Okay. Or if you want to insert this word like this from this box, click on this arrow and this document property abstract. As you see, the abstract is already written on it. All of you understand what is the use of quick parts? Or if you want to written author, you can type it with the help of keyboard AUTHOR, or you can choose from this quick parts, document property, and click on this author. Already author name has been printed on it. Just this is the laptop of HP company. You can see author HP PC is written on it. So all of you understand. These are we can say quick parts, as we say similar with the templates we use in mobile phones. There's templates I busy, call you back later. These types of templates we use in mobile phones, or as is similar to the quick parts in MS Word. So it not much of use, but it is present. We have to use it, like for document property, publish date. If you click on this publish date, you can type here today's date. Okay. So all of you understand what is the use of quick parts. Now moving forward, what is word art? Again, insert decorative text in your document. As you in class 9th onwards, you have to make a front page of your file. So when you making a front page of your file, this word art is very helpful to making a decorative front page. So how it is? Click on this arrow. You can choose any of the word art of your choice, any of the style. There are more. These are the styles you can choose. Like I choose this one, word art. Boxes appear. You can also choose the font style, that is Arial black is given. You can choose any of the font style in this font. I choose Times New Roman. You can also choose the size, any of your choice. I choose 32. If you want to make the text bold, click on this bold button. If you want to make the text italic, click on this italic button and you type the text here. If you want to make the front page of your school, so you write St. Andrews School. Okay, and click on this OK button. As you see, this St. Andrews School has been printed. You can increase or decrease the size of this text. For doing so, click on this arrow, hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse. As you see, your size has been increases. All of you understand? If you want to change the position, you can change the position also. You can change the word art style also, like this. Click on this. If you move the mouse, you can see the preview. You can choose any of the word art of your choice. Okay, all of you understand that? Just like that. It is okay. Now move forward. If you want to fill the color, or you want to change the color of this text, click on this button. You can change the color of this text. If you want to change the shape outline color, you can choose from this, like this. There is a blue outline over there. You can also change the shape of this text. You can move your cursor, and you can see the preview of the text. Okay, now come to the next. This text, if you want to edit the text, if you want to change the text, click on this edit text button and change the text. If you want to change the space between the letters of the text, you can choose. If there is a normal is selected. Okay, if you want to make the alignment left, center, right, word, if you want change, you can change over there. Vertical text, okay, you can change over there. Even height of the text. All of you understand? Word style you have already understand, and shape, fill, shape outline. If you want to make the shadow like that, okay, you have to change the shadow. Okay, now position is same because it is the title of your school. So all of you understand what is the use of word art and why it is helpful in making the creative front page of your whole file. Okay, as your page, word art is inserted in this page. Now from here you can type anything like St. Andrews School. First of all, you have to increase the size of the text, which is almost same, and also the font style. Times New Romans we have selected for this word art. Branch. So if you want to make the text in between this page, first of all bring the cursor on the left hand side of the text and use the space bar key to make the text in between, as like this. Okay, all of you understand how to insert text, how to make the text balance. Okay, St. Andrews School, Ramganga branch, and bring the cursor from the right hand side and press the enter key. All of you write the session like 2020 21, and also bring the cursor in between with the help of space bar key. Now subject, all of you mention the subject. I choose science. Put the subject in the middle. Now bring the cursor from the right hand side and press the enter key. Subject and your topic. I write laws of reflection. So all of you understand how to make. Okay, now come to the bottom of the page. As you written submitted by your name submitted to. If there is a text in the another line, put the cursor in between these two texts and use the space bar key to make the text adjusted. Okay, as you see, the text is adjusted, and here submitted to your teacher name, and bring the cursor there and use the backspace key to make your text adjusted. Okay, use space bar key and backspace key to make the text perfectly aligned. As you see, this S is just above the T. Okay, submitted to teacher name and submitted by your name, and almost your front page has been created. You can make the border lines in this of your choice. Okay, if you want to make the color inserted on it, you can insert the color of the page. So all of you understand what is the use of word art and why we use to make a front page attractive, and all of you know how to make a front page. So in future, never go to the cyber cafe to make a front page of your project. Either you use computer and make yourself and create a good one. Okay, now come to the homework. What is text box and what is word art? Make a front page of your file in MS Word. These are the three questions: what is text box and what is word art, and question number 3 is for practical use. Make a front page just I was made in this video. Follow the same procedure and make yourself. Okay, thank you and bye bye.